Hello everybody, this is Doug from Darkwater North. We're going to take a quick look at the Spyderco Efficient. It is a overseas budget-friendly pocket knife, and it says it has the Spyderco Trademark Round Hole, reliable high performance, refined ergonomics, and superior blade steel. There you have it, right on the box. Note the iconic Spyderco logo here. It's got G10 handles. Excuse me. It's approximately just over 4 inches, 4 1/8, 4 inches and approximately. The overall length is about 7 inches, right there. You can see it. Blade length, it's probably about 3, pretty much. And it's got a drop point here with a little bit of chimping for the thumb. Nice little finger choil right here, which is quite comfortable. Hey, if you want to grip it that way, you can. Who knows what you might use it for, But it has the option, right? The handle is made out of G10. The pocket clip on this particular one is a wire clip, and it can be reversible for left-hand carry. Of course, you're going to have the same problem with the liner lock. The hole is ground out here for the right-hand usage, so you can deploy the or unlock the blade and close it, right? For the left hand, it's not as deep, and you'd have trouble doing that, I would imagine. You know what I mean? Just trying to do it myself here, left-handed. But there you go. It's a nice little knife. It's got the flat grind, of course. The steel is the 8CR 13 mauve. Just fine. Superior steel, as noted. Yeah. G10, slightly textured handles, as you can see, and it makes for a nice little grip. It stays in the hand. It's quite sharp out of the box. It has this liner or lanyard hole if you so desire, and these are I think they're T6. So I like it. It's a nice looking knife. It's got a real nice wide blade here, and just overall nice little pocket knife. Weighs about 4 ounces, and let's see, sharpen the box. Oops. Sharp enough, right? Yeah. I'd say, paper. It ought to cut paper. Take a look at it there. It's, it's affordable, right? And these blades will be easy to sharpen, easy to maintain. Easily cuts the paracord. I have some leather here, thick leather. No problem, right? Who would have thought? Nice and sharp. Make that into a keychain tag. Anyway, there you have it. See? It's a nice looking knife. The clip is reversible. You can see the little indentations there for it. It's got some liners in here, stainless steel backing at the back here. And you can see they're skeletonized. I don't know if you can see in there, but they're drilled out a little bit. It doesn't have any jimping here on the liner lock, which I like because it gives a little more purchase. Your thumb doesn't slip so easy on it. But overall, it's just a fine little pocket knife. Very affordable, and it's nice looking. And very, it's well made. the fit and finish is fine, you know, and you can see there, it's lined right up. Look at that. Yeah, I like it. Jimping here, all kinds of configurations if you so desire. Feels good in the hand. There you have it, the Spyderco Efficient. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have finished my giveaway and will announce the winner shortly. So thanks for subscribing, and everybody who qualifies will be a subscriber at this point. And I'll let you know in the next video who the winner is, and the information. You got my email, so you can just email your information when you realize you're the winner. Okay. So thanks for your watching this video and your time today, and have a great day. It's Doug from Darkwater North saying goodbye.